Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how to build walls, roofs and all kinds of stuff in 7 Days to Die. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to have some building blocks. The easiest ones to craft are the building block, which you can make from 2 wood, and wood can be gathered from trees or from punching bushes. And once you craft blocks, you can go ahead and pick them up into your hotbar. And then by just having them in your hand, you can go ahead and by right-clicking, you can go ahead and place them. Also, there's an option to get more shapes, which is by holding down the R key. And here you'll see a menu of many shapes and rotations. So first of all, we'll go to shape, aim at it and stop holding the R key. This is going to get us to a menu where you can find all sorts of shapes. And this is going to allow us to build much more complex structures. And here you can see all sorts of stuff like stairs, pillars, or some plates. And when you want anything from here, from the selection, also you can go to this left side, and here you'll see the selection is much more specific. For example, squares. Here you'll find all kinds of square stuff and all kinds of round stuff. But this first tab is the basic stuff, and so you can go ahead and pick anything you like. So let's say we'll pick the pillar 1 meter, and as you can see, it has changed to the shape. Now you can go again, hold down the R key, and here you can see you have some rotation options. The simple option means that you can rotate it around one axis only. The advanced means that you can rotate it around all axes, just like this. Now, if you want and don't want to go to the shape menu and find a shape that you've already used, you can go ahead and aim at the shape you want to use, hold down the R key, and you can select the copy shape, which is going to copy the shape, and copy shape and rotation, which means it is also going to copy the shape and also the same rotation. This can be useful if you're making windows like this. You can go ahead and aim at it, copy shape and rotation, and you can then just copy and paste the same panel that you've copied and place it down on the other window. And now, to make it much more stronger than just having building blocks which have 100 durability, you will have some tools. In the starting, you'll have the stone axe, which when you pick up in your hotbar and press right click, you can go ahead and repair the blocks by using the materials that you've used to craft them. For example, building blocks are made from wood, and you can repair them with wood. And if you want to make these blocks stronger while almost maintaining their shape and position, you can also right click with the axe or claw hammer or nail gun in hand, and by right clicking you'll see you have some kind of a tab open up, and once it's filled to 100%, this is going to upgrade the block to a much higher durability, as you can see, 500. And if you want to upgrade it further, in the bottom right corner you'll see by right clicking what materials you'll need to upgrade it further. So the icon in the corner means that you'll need some cobblestone rocks. And once you have them in your inventory, you can go ahead and back to the wooden block and do the same process again. And as you can see, it is going to upgrade it further. Also, the next upgrade is going to require some concrete mix, but you get the point. So this is pretty much all. You can build all sorts of stuff with this. For example, stairs, just like this. Place it, and it is best to use the building block for beginning, because if you already craft these kind of cobblestone blocks, it is going to be much harder to break them, because they have a high durability. So make sure to use the building blocks, and this is pretty much all how to build. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.